Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create star rating in Microsoft Excel. So let's started. At first open your Excel document. Firstly, then show the name point and star. Then create a star rating in Microsoft Excel. Firstly, select your star columns option. Now for click and keyboard press from the equal and writing your rate first bracket double quotation star again double quotation comma. Now select your and again first bracket close. Now keyboard press from the control enter. That's okay. Now select your all star. That's okay. Then show the carrot star rating in Microsoft Excel is very easy. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.